What is up, guys? Toxic Travel 17 here. Today we are doing a review and unboxing of the Corsair Strafe RGB keyboard. I got this in Cherry MX Blue because on Newegg they didn't have it in red. So, kind of pissed me off, but whatever. So, full RGB color, 16.8 million, I think, per key. It has a USB pass-through on the back. And it has extra key caps you can put on. And yeah. So let's get this bad boy unboxed. Okay guys, so right here is the wrist rest. This is like what you rest your wrist on, like you put it on the end of the keyboard. So there, right here you got those keycaps and a key remover, which I thought was a nice addition. You got a QWERTY and WASD. So let's get to the bad boy itself. Here's the keyboard. It does have little feet. It has feet right there and over here. And it has the USB right there, 2.0, I think. And it has 2 USB ports. I wonder why it has 2, but whatever. So yeah, that's basically it. Take that little Corsair off. So yeah, that's basically it for that. And you also have the then you got the wrist rest. Yeah. And in the box you also get a little instruction manual, probably like software and stuff like that. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I will add another video of it colors on. So that's it for the unboxing part, and see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed the video, and it's just a basic unboxing and shows you what you comes with, and I'll show you a video of the LEDs and all that. So see you guys later.